The cross you carried on my behalf. The tomb is empty, you raised me up. Lord, I'm grateful you've never given me up. You're always ready to pick me up. Always ready to fill me up. Always ready to lift me up. Always ready to lift me up. Always ready. Always ready. You're always ready to hear me out. You are my Savior.